flavorful, not really salty, super sweet. I mean, not super sweet. It's like sweet and spicy and salty mixed together. It's really good. And the rice, let's try the rice out. The rice is really good. Let's try the soup out now. Right in here. There you go. Oh, it tastes like a beef bone soup. Let's try the next one over here. So our next dish over here we have is kimchi. So let's try it out. It's a little different, that's why, because you know, different area. Try a little piece of it. So it's a little spicy, but it's not as hot like how it is in Korea. Like I tried it earlier, and so it's a little spicy, but it's really fresh. It's really easy to bite into too. It's not really hard. It's not really soggy. The lettuce. It's really good. So be sure to try it out. Let's try the next food. The side dish I have is the potato. There you go. Let's try it out. Here you go. So it kind of tastes like a sweet potato, and it's not as dry as you think it would be, like how it looks like. So it's really good too, but it's not my kind of thing now, so let's try the next one. So, yeah, so the next side dish I have is, I think this is kimchi chives. I'm not sure what it's called. Let's try it out. So it's pretty good too. It's really fresh. It's a little bit more spicy because it's chives too. Let's try the next one. So to choose between the two, the chives or your kimchi, I would choose the kimchi more because it has, because I'm more familiar with it. The chives not so much because I'm not used to it. So let's try the next one. The next one I have for you is I believe this is already cooked. Let's try it out. It's really different too. Here it is. It's a little salty, not my kind of egg. Let's try the next food out. Let's go. So the next one I have for you is the salad. So let's try it out. Here you go. So it's not my kind of thing. It's really earthy to taste, and it's a little spicy, but it's super mild with the spice, and it's a little oaky too. So not my kind of salad too, which is kind of sad. I kind of like Korean salad too. Let's try the next dish out. And I'm gonna try is the bulgogi, but I can't carry it over because it's hot. So I'm just gonna taste a little. I'm gonna get a little piece of meat and just bring it over here. Alright, here you go. This is bulgogi. And if you don't know what bulgogi is spicy pork marinated in Korean spices. So let's try it out. Pretty flavorful. It's not really spicy than that would usually be. So let's try it the Korean style way. Let's go. So the first step to making a lettuce wrap, which is it has lettuce, it has meat, it has chives, it has kimchi, or it has like I'm not sure what else they put in it. So let's try it out. I'm gonna try and make what I can with what I have. So this is the lettuce I have. Then of course gotta get a piece of meat. There you go. Place it right down on your lettuce stick. Then you want to get some kimchi. Here you go. Maybe one or two. Then if you want more, you can also put more kimchi on it. This is what it should look like. Here you go. Then how you grab it, or how you wrap it, you want to go like this. Grab it with two hands. Try to make it into like you're trying to fold. You're trying to hide your mess with. And then you open your mouth. And that, guys, is how you make a lettuce wrap using the ingredients you have here. So let's cheers to a Happy New Year 2020. Let's go, guys.